Building a sick robot manned by a stacked drive team is no use if you don't understand who you're playing with and who you're up against. FRC is a team game after all. So how do we get this information? Well, scouting. Scouting will supply us with invaluable information that we can use to hopefully give us a strategic edge. It's going to be particularly useful on the final day of competition.
So our scouts will collect information in order for our team to be able to create a competition strategy. We have templates for scouts for information collection that look a little bit something like this. So we use these sheets in order to figure out, when we're watching matches, how the other teams play, their key features of their robot, whether they play offensively or defensively, and as well as their strengths and their weaknesses. These scouts could also go around from pit to pit, which usually happens on the first day of competition, in order to talk to other teams about their robots and what the features are of it.
Once our resident investigative journalists finish their pieces for the CBC, scouts, mentors, and drive team will congregate for some in-depth analysis meetings. These meetings can go well off into the night. I mean, it's like watching a war movie how we discuss these things. We assess what teams complement our team's robot the best, who we think will work well with, who we won't, and which robots will just straight up kick the most butt. If we manage to get to choose our robot, this information is going to be very useful. If not, at least we have some more information on how to play. In securing these alliances, scouts and drive team are equally valuable. Getting together and figuring out who we're going to work with and who we won't. We can get interviewed too. It definitely will be. Scouts from other teams will come and interview a member of our team to figure out what we're all about. If this happens, just answer truthfully. Remember, gracious professionalism.